The video shows you a simple procedure for making a homemade liquid fertilizer which is good for your potted plants. Banana peels contain nutrients like potassium and small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium which are essential for all plants. You can add fish emulsion to it to make it a complete plant fertilizer. Cut small pieces of banana peels and put in a bottle. Add water, stir well and close the lid. Place the bottle in shade.